How to solve a system by graphing. Okay, so I have this problem. I have two equations of lines, and they want me to find the solution. Okay, so just to let you know, this method isn't always the most accurate because as humans, we are not perfect. So I'll do my best, but here we go. So first thing you do is you graph each line separately. So my first one, I'm going to graph right here. The y-intercept is at 4. So my first point is at 4. And the slope is 2, which actually means 2 over 1. So I'm going to go over 1, up 2. There's my second point. Okay, so then I connect my dots and I draw my line right there. Okay, next. Then I do the second one. So the y-intercept is 1. That's right here. The slope is -1. So I got to go right 1, down 1. There we go. So now if I connect my dots, I'm here. There we go. So the solution is where the points intersect. Okay, so they intersect pretty close to right here. It looks like -1, 2. Okay, so that's it. That's our solution. So whenever you are asked to solve a system by graphing, you have to be as accurate as you can. Right, so use your really sharp pencils. Always use a ruler. Otherwise, you will be off. Okay? And that completes our problem.